cheap. So today we're going to finish up, well, probably won't finish, but we're going to do some more work on the chest of drawers project. So I did glue the bottoms on the 2 drawers that we made yesterday, just to speed up the process today. But we do need to make some more drawers to go in the box and then figure out the runners for the drawers to ride on. Alright, so let's get into the build and we'll go from there.
Okay, so right here you see me picking out a piece of wood for the runners for the drawers. And actually, we didn't actually cut this piece of wood during the video. I didn't get to it during the recording time. Yep, I'm just measuring out how many drawers I need for the box. And then here, that's one of the drawers we did yesterday, and I'm just mocking up the next piece of wood to cut for the rest of the drawers. I had to rip down a few more strips of that thin 1.5 inch wood. And then there I'm just cutting it to size. Alright, back over at the workbench, we take some more measurements for the side pieces. And I had to cut down the other drawers because I made them too big for the drawer fronts. So I'm just cutting down the rest of those drawer sides. And right here I'm making the half-lap joints for the main drawer boxes. And that's easy. You just take the saw blade and raise it to, lower it to half the thickness of your piece of wood and then make your cut. And I didn't just pour glue on my workbench. I put a piece of contact paper down so it's not sticking to the workbench. But I'm then just gluing up the boxes. Now I only have 2 of those Irwin quick clamps, so I set the other ones in place with something heavy on top, or minorly heavy. That'll keep it in place. Alright, now I have to break those other 2 boxes apart because I did make them too thick for the box, especially when the drawer front's on. So I thought about different ways to do this, but I ended up just breaking it all apart, and I'll glue it together later. Then I had to cut the drawer bottoms as well. There's an extra piece of plywood that I had to cut the rest of the drawer bottom. And here I'm just cutting the drawer bottoms to length, and that's about the end of the video.